Embroider Buddy has these hoodie sweatshirts in 13 colors and 2 different sizes. So if you would like to become a retailer for Embroider Buddy, please go to the link below and you can become a retailer. They will also work with you if you want to create a custom sweatshirt hoodie. So today what we're going to do is we are going to monogram on the little hoodie. We're going to use a 12 centimeter or 4-inch hoop. We're also going to use 1 piece of cutaway backing. Sometimes you have to use more backing when something is thin, but this is such a great quality sweatshirt that 1 piece of cutaway backing is going to be perfect. So let's get this hoodie on the machine. When you're working with a sweatshirt type fabric, you may want to go in and make your letters just a little bit bolder so that your embroidery doesn't sink into the sweatshirt type fabric. That's just a tip to make it pop a little bit better on sweatshirt type of fabric. So I'm putting my 3 ounces of cutaway backing, and I'm going to put my ring underneath. What we're putting on here is we're putting student of the month and then the lucky student's name right underneath. To line it up, it's pretty easy because I'm just using the line of my hoop. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to center that with where the hoodie is, whatever animal you decide is going to wear your hoodie, you are going to just center it with that, and that will line it up perfectly straight. So let's get it on the machine. Even after it's hooped, you can see that I have ample amount of space to be able to put it on the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and slip it on the machine. Of course, I turned my design upside down. You do want to make sure that the little strings for the hoodie are out of your way. And we're going to slip it on, trace it out. And I think we are officially ready to go. Embroider Buddy has so many colors of the hoodie sweatshirt. You're sure to find the one that's going to excite your customers for the town they live in or the school.